Hello, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome to day 2 of our weekly workout series. As we embark on this fitness journey together, let's keep our spirits high and our goals clear. Today, we're all about energy boosting, keeping that heart rate up and those muscles moving. We've got a fantastic lineup of exercises that will not only challenge you, but also leave you feeling invigorated and strong. So gear up for an exhilarating workout session that promises an energy boost with new exercises to elevate your fitness journey. Let's dive in. Begin with jump squats. Now let's break this down. Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Sink your hips back and down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, just like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your chest up and your gaze forward. Now here comes the fun part. Push through your heels and explode upward, jumping off the ground. And remember, we're not moonwalking here. Land softly to protect those knees. This isn't just a leg workout. Jump squats are a fantastic way to get your heart pumping and your muscles working. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also engaging your core. Not to mention, they're a great way to boost your metabolism and burn calories. So let's get those legs moving. Aim for 15 reps. Push yourself, but also listen to your body. And remember, the goal here is to engage those legs and feel the burn. Move into plank with shoulder taps. This exercise is a wonderful way to work your core and shoulders simultaneously. Start by getting into a high plank position. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders and your feet hip-width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core to maintain stability. Now lift your right hand off the ground and tap your left shoulder. Place your hand back down and repeat the same with your left hand tapping your right shoulder. The key here is to keep your hips as still as possible. This might be challenging at first, but don't worry, it gets easier with practice. Performing this exercise for a minute will not only strengthen your core and shoulders, but also improve your balance and coordination. It's a full-body workout packed into one simple move. So let's get tapping. Strengthen your core and shoulders. Let's target those legs with reverse lunges. A wonderful exercise that works the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, while also improving balance and core stability. Here's how you do it. Stand upright, take a step back with your right foot, and lower your body so your left knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Your right knee should be hovering just above the ground. Now push yourself back up to a standing position. That's 1 rep. Repeat this movement, alternating legs each time. Aim for 12 lunges on each leg. As you perform these lunges, remember to keep your upper body straight with your shoulders back and relaxed. Your core should be engaged throughout and your front knee should be directly above your ankle. Now don't rush this. It's not about speed but control. Embrace the burn and remember to breathe. Keep it steady. Enhance your upper body with push-up to rotation. Now this exercise is a bit of a 2-for-1, working both your chest and your obliques. Here's how it's done. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body until your chest nearly grazes the floor. As you push back up to the plank, shift your weight onto your left hand, rotate your body to the right, and lift your right arm towards the ceiling, forming a side plank. Take a moment to enjoy the stretch, then return your hand to the floor, rotating back to the high plank position. Repeat the motion, this time rotating to the left side. That's 1 rep. Try to complete 12 reps on each side. Don't rush, it's not a race. The key is to maintain control and form throughout the movement. Fantastic for the chest and obliques. This exercise truly is a full-body powerhouse. Until next time, keep moving, keep pushing, and keep sweating. Intensify your core workout with high plank jacks. This exercise is not only fantastic for your abs, but also for your shoulders, chest, and lower back. Here's how you do it. Start in a high plank position. This is just like the top of a push-up. Keep your palms flat on the ground, hands shoulder width apart, shoulders stacked directly above your wrists, legs extended behind you, and your core engaged. Now jump your feet out wide as if you were doing a horizontal jumping jack. Then jump your feet back together. That's 1 rep. The goal is to maintain a strong plank position throughout the entire movement. Try not to let your back round or your butt stick up in the air. The high plank jacks are challenging, but remember, the harder the struggle, the more glorious the triumph. Aim for 1 minute of high plank jacks. You're doing great. Remember to breathe and keep your core engaged. You've got this. Sit down for Russian twists. This exercise is a golden oldie when it comes to targeting your obliques and abs, giving them a real workout. Here's how to do it. Start by sitting on the ground with your knees bent. Pull your abs to your spine and lean back a few inches while keeping your back straight. Now here's the twist. Extend your arms out in front of you and twist your torso to the right, then to the left to complete 1 rep. While you're twisting, imagine you're moving in slow motion, maintaining control with each turn. This slow and steady movement is the secret sauce to making those obliques work overtime. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell in your hands as you twist. But remember, it's not about the weight, it's about the twist. Aim for 20 twists. Feel that burn in your obliques. This burn signifies your muscles working, growing stronger with each twist. Rev up your heart rate with mountain climbers. This exercise is a powerhouse movement combining cardio and strength training for an all-around workout. Picture yourself scaling a steep mountain but on the flat ground. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, body in a straight line from head to toe. Now drive your right knee towards your chest, then quickly switch and drive your left knee towards your chest. It's like running on the spot, in a plank. Remember to keep your core engaged and your back flat. Don't let your bottom lift up. Go at your own pace but challenge yourself to pick up speed as you get the hang of it. Aim for 45 seconds of mountain climbers. Not only will this exercise get your heart pumping, it's fantastic for building strength in your arms, back, and core. And just like that, cardio and core engaged. Stand tall for standing oblique crunches. This exercise is a fantastic way to engage your core, particularly the oblique muscles on the sides of your abdomen. So, let's get started. First, stand up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place your hands behind your head with your elbows out to the sides. This is your starting position. Now, raise your right knee towards your right elbow, while simultaneously bringing your right elbow down towards your knee. Make sure to engage your core and squeeze your obliques as you perform this movement. Then return to the starting position and repeat the movement on the left side. That's 1 rep. Aim for 15 reps on each side, ensuring you maintain a steady pace. Remember, the focus here is not on speed, but on the quality of each crunch. As you perform this exercise, you'll feel the burn in your obliques, and that's a great sign. It means you're working those muscles and enhancing your core strength. And that's it, you've just completed the standing oblique crunches. Let's target those obliques. Great job, time for a gentle cool down. After an invigorating session, it's important to ease your body into a state of relaxation. Let's start by stretching out those muscles we've worked so hard. A simple standing forward bend can do wonders for your hamstrings and lower back. Hold for about 20 seconds, breathe deeply, and let gravity do its job. Next, let's give our shoulders and upper back some love with a gentle crossbody shoulder stretch. Hold each side for 15 seconds. Feel that tension melt away. Now let's get down on the mat for a classic, the butterfly stretch. This will help to open up your hips after those lunges and squats. As you stretch, remember to breathe. Deep, conscious breaths help to oxygenate your muscles and promote recovery. And of course, don't forget to hydrate. Water is your best friend after an intense workout. Now let's take a moment to reflect on the effort you put in today. From jump squats to standing oblique crunches, you've challenged your strength, endurance, and flexibility. Each exercise was designed to boost your energy and elevate your fitness journey. So give yourself a pat on the back for completing day 2 of our weekly workout series. That concludes day 2. Subscribe for more energizing workouts throughout the week. Remember, consistency is key. Stay motivated, stay active. See you tomorrow for day 3.